Hello viewers, it's a pleasure to have you on my channel today. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can generate thumbnails, beautiful thumbnails using ChatGPT. And as a beginner on YouTube, you find out that most times your challenge or even my challenge may be creating thumbnails and generating titles. But I'm going to put you through how you can do this as a complete beginner who may be scared on how to come up with graphical ideas while creating thumbnails. So you see this thumbnail that you're seeing on my screen here. This thumbnail was created by ChatGPT. I used the prompt, and when I imputed it, it came up with this beautiful thumbnail you're seeing here. And one thing I want us to know is that see ChatGPT as a companion. See ChatGPT as something that you can always feel free to say anything that has to do with a challenge that you may have. So without wasting any of our time, let's just go straight to the point. So now, what you do is go to Play Store, get ChatGPT installed if you've never installed it on your mobile. So once you do that, you now think of any prompt that you may have. And the secret of generating prompt is just sit down and make it seem as though you're having a conversation with somebody. We are having a conversation to pour your mind out to someone on how you feel about a challenge. That is how you can really generate thumbnails, or how you can really generate prompts that you can use for whatever thing you want to create for yourself. So since our target is to create thumbnail this time around using ChatGPT, that is my favorite companion. So now let's go back. If you see the prompts that I used, you find out that it is a lengthy one because I made it seem as though I was having a conversation with ChatGPT. So at the end, it gave me that thumbnail you saw that I showed earlier on. That was how it generated that thumbnail for me. So if you want to create a thumbnail using ChatGPT, what matters most is the prompt you give to ChatGPT before it can give you what you really want. And even if it gives you that prompt, even if it gives you that thumbnail based on the prompt you input, you'll be able to get description, you'll be able to get the title, and sometimes you may want to be creative using your own title. You can still ask ChatGPT if this title is SEO optimized for you, for your video, so that people when searching on YouTube, they will be able to use that title. You'll be able to rank using that title by having keywords or having tags that links people to your video. So you see, when ChatGPT gave me this title, I also did use a title that I actually thought of, and ChatGPT helped me get it optimized, and it gave me the description. And not just that, it gave me the hashtags, and it gave me the tags that I could easily copy as a code and put into my YouTube channel when I'm uploading the video. So once you've imputed the right prompt, this time around, see ChatGPT as someone you can confide in whatever prompt you give it, by making it like a conversation one to one, what you want it to do for you. And ChatGPT eventually gives you a thumbnail. The next thing that you do, which is always something you should never forget, remember that YouTube thumbnail has a standard measurement. ChatGPT most times doesn't give you that standard measurement of YouTube. So the thing you have to bear in mind is this: YouTube standard measurement for thumbnails is thumbnail is 1280 by 720. But at the end of this video, I'll also show you how you can know the size of whatever image you have, even if you do not remember the number I mentioned now. So once ChatGPT has given you that your thumbnail, the next thing you do, you will go to this website to be able to reduce the size of this thumbnail that ChatGPT has generated for you. So let's go to that website. When you go to Google, you search for this pixel. Because I always use it, it's already there, the size pixel. So now what this website will do for you, it will help you resize whatever image you have to whatever size you can ever think of. So let's go to resize pixel. You upload your image. So this is the image here, that resize pixel. This is the image that was generated by ChatGPT. We'll get it uploaded on resize pixel. So now you find out that the measurement ChatGPT gave us was 1536 by 1024, which is far more But this time around, we're going to use the standard measurement for YouTube thumbnails, as I mentioned earlier, that it is 1280 by 720. So now we impute that here, 1280 by 720. Then you click on resize. So this website will help you, give you the standard measurement that you want for whatever image you have. Then you scroll down, you move downwards and click on go to download. It always has ads, so feel free to close it. Then you go to download image. I already downloaded it, but because of this tutorial I wanted to show you the steps on how you can achieve this. Then get it downloaded. So I've downloaded it. So once this video is downloaded to your device, the next thing you do, you go to your YouTube account, your YouTube channel. So let me head over to my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel. I already uploaded the video. So what we'll do is, you see this place that has three dots, click on it. Then this one that has edit. This pencil icon here, you tap on it. So when you tap on that pencil icon, it will bring you to this interface. Click on change. Then you search for the video, or rather, sorry, you search for the image that you had downloaded from Resize Pixel, and you tap on this. Let me say you tap, then you select. So after you've gotten it to your YouTube channel, you say done. You already have it there, so I do not want to repeat it. Then you say save. So once you've saved it, automatically you have that thumbnail uploaded on your YouTube channel. So you see, it is very easy, very easy. I didn't have to waste my time. What do I come up with? The mathematics that you have to do is what comes out of your head as your prompts to ChatGPT, that look, this is what I want from you. If you look at my YouTube channel, most of my YouTube thumbnails were generated using ChatGPT. They were generated using ChatGPT. And one good thing I want us to know about ChatGPT is sometimes you give it your image and it will tweak it for you. You notice that whatever thing you want it to do on that your image, ChatGPT will do it for you. So let me go to my ChatGPT. Okay, so this is my ChatGPT, as I mentioned earlier. If you check at the top, if you check that at this video, looking at my ChatGPT, I had initially uploaded an image of myself, telling ChatGPT to use that image as part of my thumbnail. So sometimes you may want to use your own image, because ChatGPT would always ask you, do you want it to give you an image to use, or do you want to give it your image that will include in your thumbnail? And remember that whatever title you may have, sometimes you may want to include emotions on the image. What does your emotion tell about the topic you are trying to relate to your audience? Because sometimes emotion goes a long way. It's just like, I want to express myself that I'm not happy. I wouldn't be smiling on that image. So if you tell ChatGPT to also work on your emotions on the image, ChatGPT knows how to do that. So another bonus tip before rounding off on this video is, how do you find out that's the size of your image before going to Resize Pixel to input that image number? This is what I normally do. I use Canva to check the size of whatever image I have in mind, mainly my thumbnails. Okay, so let me go to Canva. This is my Canva. I'll click on Canva. Every thumbnail or every cover page or whatever you use for social media has their standard measurement or their recommended measurement of use. So like YouTube now, when you click on YouTube, or you can either search for whatever thumbnail that you have in mind or whatever cover you have in mind. LinkedIn, Facebook, all these cover pages, they have, or all these thumbnails, they have their measurement. So for YouTube, you tap on your YouTube thumbnail as I showed you now, then click on any thumbnail that you find there. You go to these three dots. You see the top is showing us 1280 by 720. This is making us know that the measurement of this thumbnail that I've clicked here from YouTube measurement is 1280 by 720. And so that is the measurement that we will impute on Resize Pixel website to help you resize it, to resize the image to the approved measurement for that platform you want to use it on. So viewers, that is the end of today's video. So if you feel you found value from today's video, Please do subscribe to this channel, like and comment what tool do you actually use in creating your thumbnails? Do you create it yourself? So whatever tool you actually use, if it is an AI tool or if you actually generate your thumbnail, do feel free to share it with us in the comment section. This will also help other people to know how they can help themselves in creating thumbnails, what they can do to also help themselves. Because here on YouTube, we are here to support ourselves, mainly people that are starting out content creation on YouTube. So feel free to like this video and comment whatever your thoughts are of today's video, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. So have a lovely day, my viewers. Bye.